Exploring the Lone Star State, Texas, USA. Welcome to the Lone Star State of Texas, where everything is bigger and bolder. In this crash course, we will explore the geography, capital, population, economy, education, brief history, cultures, and politics of Texas. We will also share fascinating stories and examples that highlight the state's unique character. Additionally, we will unveil the top 12 attractions that showcase the diverse landscapes and rich heritage of Texas. Finally, we will conclude with a captivating poem or song that captures the spirit of this larger-than-life state. 1. Geography and location. Texas is located in the southern central part of the United States. It is the second largest state by land area and encompasses various geographical regions, including the Gulf Coast, plains, deserts, and mountains. From the sandy beaches to the rolling hills, Texas offers a diverse natural landscape. 2. Capital and population. The capital of Texas is Austin, a vibrant city known for its live music scene, bustling technology industry, and lively arts culture. With a population of over 2 million, Austin is a thriving and youthful city that perfectly represents the state's dynamic spirit. 3. Economy. Texas has a robust and diverse economy, driven by industries such as energy, agriculture, manufacturing, technology, and healthcare. The state is a leading producer of oil and natural gas, making it an essential player in the energy sector. Texas is also home to several Fortune 500 companies, contributing to its economic prosperity. 4. Education. Texas boasts numerous prestigious universities and educational institutions, including the University of Texas at Austin and Texas A&M University. These institutions offer a wide range of academic programs and research opportunities, fostering innovation and intellectual growth. 5. Brief history. Texas has a storied history that includes Spanish colonization, Mexican rule, and the fight for independence. The Battle of the Alamo and the Battle of San Jacinto are significant events in Texas' struggle for independence from Mexico. Texas became the 28th state of the United States in 1845. 6. Cultures. Texas is a melting pot of cultures, influenced by Native American, Mexican, German, and African American traditions. The state's rich heritage is evident in its cuisine, music, and festivals. Tex-Mex cuisine, country music, rodeos, and the famous Texas barbecue are iconic elements of Texas culture. 7. Politics. Texas has a diverse political landscape, with conservative and liberal viewpoints represented. The state has a reputation for its independent spirit and its active involvement in national politics. As one of the largest states, Texas carries significant political influence. Interesting stories and examples. The Alamo, the historic mission in San Antonio, known as the Alamo, played a crucial role in Texas' fight for independence. It stands as a symbol of courage and resilience, reminding visitors of the state's rich history. NASA's Johnson Space Center, located in Houston, the Johnson Space Center is NASA's hub for human spaceflight operations. Visitors can explore space artifacts, experience simulated space missions, and learn about the history and future of space exploration. Top 12 attractions in Texas. 1. The Alamo, San Antonio. 2. Space Center Houston, Houston. 3. Big Bend National Park, West Texas. 4. Riverwalk, San Antonio. 5. Guadalupe Mountains National Park, West Texas. 6. Padre Island National Seashore, Corpus Christi. 7. 6th Street, Austin. 8. The Fort Worth Stockyards, Fort Worth. 9. State Capitol, Austin. 10. The Houston Museum of Natural Science, Houston. 11. The 6th Floor Museum at Dealey Plaza, Dallas. 12. The San Antonio Missions National Historical Park, San Antonio. Summary. Texas, the Lone Star State, captivates with its vast landscapes, diverse cultures, and vibrant history. From the Alamo's historic significance to NASA's space exploration endeavors, Texas offers a blend of heritage, adventure, and innovation. Whether you're exploring the bustling cities, enjoying the natural wonders, or immersing yourself in the local culture, Texas promises an unforgettable experience. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.